In the second Anuvaka, if you look at it, there is a very interesting way in which the Chamaka Prashna is constructed. You will have to study second Anuvaka 2 words at a time. Jaishtyancha Adhipatyancha me, one set of words. Manyuscha me, Bhavascha me, another set. So we are now looking at the third set. Jema cha me, Mahima cha me. Jema means the ability to succeed, to win all the battles. Incidentally, why should we study this Anuvaka combining 2 words? Jaishtyanchama Adhipatyanchame. What is the purpose? It is because in this life I want this, in the next life I want that. Or in this life I want one succeeding the other. And then, or please give me the complementary benefits also. So there are 3 reasons why we combine the 2 words. So Jema is the ability to succeed. So you can be successful, but that success also must bring glory, fame, joy, happiness. If all of those things don't come, your success may be a wasteland. It is something like you win a battle. You see, this is what happened to Ashoka. You win a battle and then you see in front of you 1 million people died and there is not one single able-bodied man. All you have are women and children. What kind of a success is that? What kind of a nation is that? And because you have used so many weapons, all the crops are destroyed. And then because you have used so many kinds of weapon, all the waters are polluted. Yeah, you are the king of that land. So therefore, here you say it is not only the ability to succeed and win a battle, but also it must bring glory to me. So Jema Chame, Mahima Chame. Then Varima Chame means I want to be sought after by people. I want to be praised. I want to be venerated and honored by the noble, by the good, by respected people. Because a Don is also honored, a Don is also respected, isn't it? A criminal is also respected. They show veneration to him, but it is coming out of fear and actually also disgust many a time. But here we are asking for, I want to be praised and honored by the learned, by the noble people, by those who are respected, and those people who are respecting me have also to be people of great ability, merit and talent. So when does a Pandita respect another Pandita? Only when he is equally brilliant, when he is equally highly achieving, when he is equally noble. So that is why when 2 great people meet, it's wonderful to sit and listen. I have had so many occasions of 2 great people sitting and talking. I've been a mute witness. The way they speak, the way they look at the world, the way they understand the world is all outstanding. That is why Mahapurusha Samshraya, Mahapurusha's Ashraya, that is to be in the presence of Mahapurushas, is a great blessing. So that blessing is what we are asking here. Otherwise, what happens? If there are just, not so very bright people, but mutual admiration society, if such people are there, we have a very beautiful Subhashita in Sanskrit. Ushtranancha vivaheshu Geetam gayanti gardhavaha Parasparam prashamsanti aho rupa mahodhvanihi. So there is a marriage going on. The marriage is between 2 camels. So these 2 camels are married, and in that marriage the musicians are the donkeys. So donkeys are giving a concert. in the marriage of two camels. And then the camel is praising the donkey and the donkey is praising the camel. How? Parasparam prashamsanti. Aho rupam. The donkeys are saying, wow, what a beautiful couple this is. What a lovely couple. And this lovely couple is saying, what a beautiful voice. How lovely is the music. So we have got to be watch out for that. And then so ahorupam ahodhvanihi, to avoid that, we are asking Lord Shiva. And then another counterpoint. Look at the series of the kings that ruled the Ikshvaku dynasty. Starting from Ikshvaku, Sharyati, Yayati, Rama, Mandhatru, Nabhaga, Nriga, Ambarishaha. Yete Sakoshaha, Purushaha, Sarashtraha, Nashtaha, Shariraihi, Kratubhihi, Dharante. So, how to become immortal? Immortality is not just physically living. We must live forever by the work and then by the yajna. Yajna means it is Panchamahayajna. By that we have done, by scholarship, by the friendship we have developed, by the comfort we have given to our fellow beings. And that kirti should be there forever. And that is why we even to this day we honor them. Who honors them? The learned, the sadhu purushas. They consider all these kings as most noble. How many times have we studied Ramayana? How many times have we studied Bhagavad Gita? Do we ever get tired? It is because of that immortality of those words. Then we are asking for Prathima Chame, Varshma Chame. Prathima means I want to be wealthy with very good house and houses. Give me lot of land, substantial possessions. The reason is when you have a large heart and when you have a large home, you can accommodate a large number of people. For that purpose, have a large home. Varshma Chame, give me children, give me grandchildren. Draghuya Chame, give me such sons and grandchildren who will have a long life and whose progress will be unbroken. My child, Pashyati Putram, should be better than I am. My student should be better than I am. Pashyati Pautram, my student's student, my grandchild must be more brilliant than me. Yajnavalkya's father, how he should be feeling? Do you think he would feel jealous that I had a son like Yajnavalkya? So that kind of children and grandchildren you please give me. Then Vruddhan Chame, here Vruddha means give me plenty of food. So let there be plenty of food in my house so that everybody can eat to their heart's content. Vruddhischame, that's why in Indian households, as you know, we never cook just enough. There will always be enough for at least another 4 people. We always cook plenty. And then Vruddhischame, let there be lot of growth in learning, in scholarship and in good qualities for me. Satyam Chame, Shraddha Chame. The grandeur of Chamaka Prashna is when you are least expecting, they introduce an extraordinary concept. Now all this while we are asking, you give me health, you give me wealth, you give me fame, you give me long life, give me good children. And suddenly you can see the paradigm shift takes place and says, Satyam Chame. Satyam Satya is commented by Sayanacharya as Yathartha Bhashanam. That means to speak things as they are. I am not very satisfied with that commentary. It is inadequate in this context. If it was only Satyam Chame, then you go to Shiva and then you ask, please make me a truthful person. What would you say? What would Shiva say? Hey, go speak the truth. Isn't it? Suppose I say that I want to speak the truth. Yeah, go speak the truth. So there is no substance in that conversation. Isn't it? So we have got to ask for something more. And also we have to look at following Satyam Chame, there is also Shraddha Chame. So next week I will comment on the Shraddha Sukta to understand this word. So Satyam Chame here, what it means is, I am going to follow the dictum, Satyam Bruyat, always truth be said, Priyam Bruyat, always speak pleasantly, Nabruyat Satyam Apriyam, never say a truth which is unpalatable, Priyancha Nanrutam Bruyat, even if it is very pleasant to say that, don't say falsehood. Yesha dharma sanatana. So I'm going to follow dharma. But by following dharma throughout my life, where do I want to be? Here you please link this prayer, Satyam Chame, to Mundakopanishad, 3rd chapter, mantra, 3rd part, chapter 1, mantra number 6. Satyameva jayate na anrutam. We have used that as a motto in India just to flout it. Satyameva jayate na anrutam. Only truth prevails, not falsehood. Satyena pantha vitato devayanaha yena akramanti rishayohi aptakamaha yatra tat satyasya paramam nidhanam. So this is what the sage of Chamaka Prashna is asking. It is not just Yathartha Bhashana. It is for me, let the highway, freeway of truth open itself widely. In the highway of truth, let there not be any block. Then, what kind of people can travel on this highway? Pedestrians and cyclists are not allowed. Haven't we seen that on the ramps of the highway? What does that mean? Pedestrian, ordinary people who are not committed to this high ideal are not allowed on this highway. So on this highway, I have to go in a proper vehicle. And the proper vehicle I go is the vehicle of Satya. And then how do I go? Yena akramanti rishayaha. It is not just halfway travel, it is not just going from a few miles, but I want to go to the end of that road, of that highway, of that open road. How? Aptakamaha, having got all the desires that are to be desired by a noble person. And having got that, yatra tat satyasya paramam nidhanam, to that destination which is the place where the Satya is there, and this is nothing other than the Satya Loka we are asking. I am not satisfied with bhuhu, bhuvaha, suvaha, mahaha, janaha, tapaha. I want Satyam. That is how I understand this prayer. Whereas if you see the other commentaries, they will just say, they will not talk about this Krama Mukti. They are talking about, give me truth. I thought it was too very pale. If you say, because if you say, we tell 100 times to our children, always tell, speak the truth. But here this is something more deeper and profounder. That is why this is Satyam eva jayate. That which gives me the success in reaching to that Satyaloka, na anrutam, not any other lesser loka, that is what you give me, is what the sage is asking. And then he is asking for Shraddha. And that Shraddha he is asking with full understanding of what Shraddha is, which we will see in the next class.